Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to use floating windows on this device. So this option is quite easy to use, and it's a nice opportunity to use two different apps at the same time. So first of all, let's open the recents. And actually before, I highly recommend to open the apps which you'd like to use in the floating window, and then just enter the recents. So let's pretend I'd like to use maybe Chrome and settings. So let's tap and hold on the option on the app, and tap on this option, the second one from the bottom, which is connected with floating windows. And as you can see, our device will immediately show our app in this floating window mode. We can change the position of it. We can also resize it just by tapping on the corner and trying to resize it. We can do it easily. And let me open another app. So for example, the settings. So tap on it and hold it, and then I cannot open the settings for some reason, but I can open the messages. So this is how it works. Moreover, if you've got the floating apps opened, they are working just like in the regular mode, let's say. So you can still, for example, search in the Google Chrome, and here you can, I don't know, respond to a text or whatever. Moreover, you can tap on the three dots icon here at the top, and here you've got different setups in which you can apply the window mode. So right now we've got it in the window, but we can, for example, apply it at the bottom of the screen. As you can see here, we've got our messages. Of course, we can expand it at least a little bit, but it is not working. All right. Let me just put this one at the top. And as you can see right now, the screen is divided between two different apps. Moreover, we can of course tap on this option here to open it in the full screen, and we can tap here to close it completely. Alright, so this is how it works. This is how to use floating windows in this device. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.